Hi friends, welcome back to Weld QC, the YouTube channel of Lloyd's Institute of Technologies. I'm Vincent. Today we are going to discuss about the flux core arc welding without an external gas. How to weld without an external gas. How to use flux core arc welding of process without a gas. Yes, it is necessary as gas shielded flux core arc welding is very difficult to use for outdoor welding, especially for pipelines and other structural field work. The solution is self-shielded flux core arc welding, where you don't have to go for an external gas shielding. You don't have to carry a cylinder for that. This is known as flux core arc welding, self-shielded one, or FCAW SS. Here you will be using a FCAW wire which is having the shielding flux within the tubular electrodes. You simply need to have a flux core arc welding gun specially designed for self-shielded flux core arc welding. It is better to change a nulled roller to your wire feeder. And most importantly, what you should understand is what type of wire, what type of electrode wire you have to use, which application, what polarity. I will be explaining about it. So let us start. Okay friends, once you are ready with the equipment, then you have to go for the right electrode for the right application. So let us see what are the kind of electrodes available for what type of applications. We'll start. These are the list of the electrodes what we are going to discuss, and let us go one by one. To start with, we will start with E70T3, which is a high-speed single-pass electrode. You can weld flat, horizontal, and downhill positions on base metal below 5 mm. Please be noted. It's mainly for sheet metal or below 5 mm thickness material, and it has got a spray type transfer, and the polarity is DCEP, that is reverse polarity. The next in line is E70T4, which is a high deposition rate, which will be providing high deposition rates, and single and multiple pass can be welded, and flat and horizontal positions only. Best to use on joints with poor fit up, and it has got a globular type transfer, again DCEP polarity. The other one is E70T6, excellent penetration, high deposition rate, single and multiple pass can be used, and the positions can be used is flat and horizontal, and it has got a spray type transfer, and again DCEP polarity. Now we will discuss about E70T7. It has got a good penetration level, high deposition rate, single and multiple pass can be welded, flat and horizontal positions, and here DCEN polarity, that is straight polarity, direct current electrode negative. This is very important electrode, E71T8. You can use single and multiple pass, all position welding, very good for pipeline, outdoor pipeline welding, and also structural welding because it has got a good impact properties, good low temperature impact properties, and the polarity is DCEN, straight polarity. The next in line is E70T10. Again, it's a single pass, high travel speed welding, You can go for any thickness material, can weld in flat, horizontal and downhill positions. Again, it is a DCEN polarity. The last one is E71T11. It has got a very smooth spray type arc, all position welding at a higher level, higher travel speed. Best operator friendly electrode, easy slag removal and ease of use. General purpose electrode. Better not to use for critical applications like pipe welding or structural bridges and that kind of welding cannot be used, should not be used. But you can go for the general fabrication work, general purpose electrode. You can go for single and multiple pass welding, but the polarity is again DCEN, straight polarity. Alright friends, so that's all for now. I'll be back with the continuation of this topic again. I'll be coming with how to identify the electrodes, the identification system of electrodes of flux core arc welding. That will be the next topic. Until then, goodbye. Thanks for watching. See you in the next.